everyone. Welcome you all to Imagination Gallery. Here we try to show you different types of drawings and stories behind it. So if you are an art lover and wants to know the unknown facts, press the subscribe button now. Now let me introduce you to today's topic. Today in our World Tour series, we will illustrate the Festival of Joy. It's Yuletide time. It's Christmas painting today. So to see this beautiful drawing and to know the stories about it, you must watch our video till the end. It's Merry Christmas today. Friends, it's been a long time now we are doing this World Tour series and we are traveling through many different countries, places, events, their people, cultures, and of course all these happen through virtually colors and canvas and through Imagination Gallery. But you know, there are times when the mind is not confined to any country, and at certain times of the year, especially, people from all over the world, became like the people of one country, and it seems more during the festival times. And needless to say that now is the time. Santa Claus has already began his journey from North Pole. Understand that this is Christmas time. So Imagination Gallery also wants to celebrate Christmas with you all in our way, with painting and story. Well, what can I say about this painting? Simple painting done in a simple way. But keep an eye on the video till the end, how it is complete. Now can't wait and just want to start over this. Let's begin. But first is first, as we all know that Christmas is an annual festival commemorating the birth of Jesus Christ, observed primarily on December 25th as a religious and cultural celebration among billions of people around the world. It is a public holiday in many countries as well and forms an integral part of the holiday season organized around it. The traditional Christmas narrative, the Nativity of Jesus, delineated in the New Testament, says that Jesus was born in Bethlehem in accordance with messianic prophecies. When Joseph and Mary arrived in the city, the inn had no room. So they were offered a stable where the Christ child was soon born, with angels proclaiming this news to shepherds who then spread the word. Although the month and date of Jesus' birth are unknown, the church in the early 4th century fixed the date as in December 25th. And this also corresponds to the date of the winter solstice on the Roman calendar. But when actually Christmas celebration have started? Have you ever thought about it? The celebration of Christmas started in Rome about 336, the year 336. But it did not become a major festival, until 9th century. In ancient Rome, December 25th was a celebration of the unconquered sun, marking the return of longer days. The church in Rome began celebrating Christmas on December 25th in the 4th century during the reign of Constantine, the first Christian emperor, possibly to weaken pagan traditions. The origin of Christmas, differs as the precise date of birth and historicity of Jesus are much debated. Christmas, literally meaning the Mass of Christ, is a traditional holiday in the Christian calendar. The festival of Christmas takes place on December 25th every year to celebrate his birth. and it is also celebrated as a secular holiday throughout the world. Friends, early Christians, connected Jesus to the Son through the use of such phrases as Son of Righteousness. The Romans marked the winter solstice on this day only, December 25th. And the first recorded celebration of Christmas was in Rome, as said in AD 336. In the 3rd century, the date of Nativity was the subject of great interest. Around AD 200, Clement of Alexandria wrote, There are those who have determined not only the year of our Lord's birth, but also the day, and they say that it took place in 28th year of Augustus, and in the 25th day of the Egyptian month Pachun. Further, others say that he was born on 24th or 25th Farmuthi. This is what he wrote. Now, the fact is that how Santa Claus is related with Christmas. I mean, when there is Christmas, we cannot even think it without Santa Claus. But how he is related with this festival? Santa Claus is a legendary figure who is the traditional patron of Christmas in the United States and the other countries, bringing gifts to children. His popular image is based on traditions associated with the Saint Nicholas, a 4th century Christian saint. Father Christmas fills the role in many European countries. Some modern ideas of Santa Claus seemingly became canon after the anonymous publication of the poem A Visit from St. Nicholas, better known today as The Night Before Christmas. In the Troy, New York's Sentinel on 23rd December 1823. Clement Clarke Moore later claimed authorship, and through some scholars argue that on this. Well, here just remember to wanted to tell you that you can always check our previous year's Christmas video for the much entail about Santa Claus. There, Santa Claus and Jesus, are both figures associated with Christianity. Jesus' life and teachings form the basis of Christianity, while Santa Claus is based on Saint Nicholas, an early bishop who is a patron saint of, among other things, children. Long before, he lived in the North Pole, and his early Christmas visits brought joy to all the children of the world. He was a child himself. He was once just an ordinary baby boy named Nicholas. The baby boy was just like any other boy, but his parents hoped for great things from their only son. They named him Nicholas, which means hero of the people. Nicholas became well known throughout the land as a kind and wise young man, and he was soon named a bishop of the church. For all of his good deeds, Bishop Nicholas was named a saint. He is honored as the saint who looks after all children. Friends, celebrating Christmas has been around for more than 2000 years. For centuries around the world, people have celebrated the birth of Jesus Christ with the traditional religious practices as well as a holiday fervor. The spirit of Christmas has remained the same in all this time. A celebration of joy, happiness, peace and togetherness. Irrespective of your religion, Christmas is a great festival to celebrate, especially with the children, because of its beautiful spirit. It's a joyous time, a time of giving, a time of sharing, a time to spread love and warmth. So put your thoughts aside and let's celebrate Christmas for the joy of giving, to spread positivity and excitement, and to spread the joy of love. Well, our world tour series and of course celebrating festivals will continue. We will continue to search this little happiness and joy to share just with you all. Let this be one family. Let's color and paint the life with Imagination Gallery. So hope you enjoyed and liked today's celebration of Christmas. Convey your feedbacks and suggestions about our drawing session and do not hesitate to write here in the comment box. So if you like our drawing sessions and you want to know about different paintings and stories behind it, then do not forget to subscribe our channel. Here's wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays. Stay safe and take care of yourself. Bye for now.